Hello everyone. Setting up the Welcomer bot on Discord is a great way to give new users a warm welcome to your server. It's a step-by-step guide on how to set up. So I've actually written it on a Google Doc. So first of all, invite Welcome bot to your server. Now, when you are on the website, search for it or on top.gg or discordbots.gg. Alright, so invite the bot. Click on the invite button and add to server option. This will direct you to Discord's auth 2 page where you can select the server you want to add the bot to. Then choose the server from the drop down list where you want to add welcome or bot. Make sure you have the appropriate permissions, like you need to be an admin or have managed server permissions. Then grant necessary permissions, like allow the bot to access necessary permissions such as sending messages and managing roles, etc. Then click Authorize to add the bot to your server. Finally, if prompted, complete the captcha to confirm you are not a bot, but you are adding a bot, so you are not a bot. Anyway, so you need to configure the bot's welcome message. Like after adding the bot, you can configure the message like um, in the settings. So go to the text channel where you want to set up commands and or create a new one such as hash welcomes. You can also use the bot's prefix, like the bot will use a prefix like this one, semicolon, or this one for commands. Check the bot's documentation or type.help command to verify the prefix. Now, using the command setup or this setup to begin configuring the welcome messages. Follow the prompts here. So the prompt set like this: welcome channel, like choose a channel where you want to welcome message to be sent, or add the welcome message, like customize the message that will be sent to your users. It might include variables like username, server name, etc. So here is an example command like set welcome user to server, we're glad to have you here, saying if anyone joins here then welcome. You can also set up welcome role, like if you want users to get a specific role like newcomer, or you can configure it during the setup. Example command is stack set role newcomer. You can change the newcomer, no blah blah blah, and this will actually change it. Now then simply test the setup and like using this you can test the setup or this command here. The bot should automatically send a welcome message to the designated channel. You can do a lot more, like you can some bots allow you to add custom image or GIF to accompany the welcome message. You can also configure farewell messages. You can enable logging to keep track of who joins and leaves. You may also want to assign certain rules upon joining or set verification. And once everything is set up, your server should be ready to automatically welcome new members with a personalized message. You can always come back to adjust settings and or add some more features as your server goes.